Hi everyone, today we are going to make an Impala Potjie. We started with the Impala meat that we marinated for 24 hours in red wine and some red wine vinegar as well with that. Then our ingredients: shallots, potatoes, carrots, snap peas, mushrooms, onion, carrot, celery and some garlic obviously. Then we've got our bacon, duck fat, chopped parsley, oregano, marjoram and thyme. Then we've got rosemary and bay leaf. We've got juniper berries, pepper and cloves. And then for the little bit of sauce, we're going to use beef stock block. Then we're going to use the tomato paste and Worcestershire sauce. First off, we start with a pot that we've warmed up. We're going to put some duck fat into the pot and then we're going to brown the bacon first. Once your bacon is cooked, you can remove it and then we will start to brown the meat. We do 1/2 first, and this is because we want to fry the meat, and if you put too much meat in a pot it starts to become a boiling action. So we do 1/2 first, put it aside, and then we'll do the other half. Now we start with the second batch and we will brown this meat too. So far so good. The meat should look leathery and brown. Getting ready to turn these. The meat is nice and brown. We will remove this. At this stage, if the oil is a little low, you can put more duck fat in or some extra virgin olive oil if you like. Okay, now for the celery, the garlic, the onion and the carrots. This is what is called your bed of roots, and this is what the whole concoction is going to cook on top of. We're going to brown this and get it ready. Like I said, we are going to brown these ingredients together, and once they're nice and brown, we'll further go on with the next step. Browning them like this together is a little bit slower, but this is the end product. Now we know we're ready for the next step. Adding some boiling water to our sauce. Roughly 1.2 to 1.3 liters. Now we're packing our meat on top of this browned vegetables that we've done. Basically called our bed of roots. The fried bacon. On top of that, our herbs and spices, basically all of it. And then we pour in all our stock. Now we add 250 milliliters of our red wine. That is 1 cup. Now we are going to bring it to a slow simmer with the lid on. and we're going to leave it for 2 to 3 hours, checking every hour. We place the hot coals on top of the lid, and this causes like a heat from the top, making it like an oven. So the coals we will leave right through until the pot has been cooked. One hour has passed. Looking good. Enough fluids. Let's leave it for another hour. 2 hours in. Let's see. I think we're going to top up with a little bit of fluid and then set it down for another hour. Adding some boiling water. Roughly 800 milliliters. And now we're going to leave it for another hour. Obviously placing the coals on top again. 3 hours in. Let's check. It's time to add the vegetables. Yeah, we're going to do that. Okay, so we're going to add the carrots and the shallots first. Then the snap peas and the mushrooms. And then our potatoes. So we're closing it just like that. Then we're going to put the coals back on top of the lid and leave it for an hour, and then we're going to check it, and then maybe another half an hour depending on how soft the veggies are going to be. Four hours in, let's check the veggies. Gonna leave it for another half hour, and then we'll probably be ready to eat. Half an hour has gone, so it's a total of 4.5 hours. And everything is soft. We're ready to eat. We're gonna dish up now. So we're serving this on some maize meal on pop. Looks absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. RedRockat out for now.